Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys at my YouTube channel guys. Today friends, we are going to upload guys Infinix phone setting guys, and today we will title guys how can we unhide photos in our Infinix phone device. Friends, you want to unhide guys your photos guys, you have hide guys some photos, and guys you want to unhide. So how can you unhide today friends? I will show you, I will tell you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So when first of all guys we will on guys our phone file, this Google file guys, we will on it. And friends, you can see guys your save folder setting guys, and guys you want to hide guys your save folder, so you can hide. And so you can see this folder will hide, and friends you want to show your folder, so you can show from here guys. Save folder guys, we will tap here, and guys you have any pattern, so I draw your pattern, and guys you have password, so enter your password. As you can see guys, I will unhide get this for images. I can, you can see delete as you want to delete, so guys you can delete. And friends, you can see move out to save folder guys, tap here to move out. Friends, you can see guys this we don't have, and friends you can see this photo will unhide. So like that guy, we can unhide photos in our Infinix Phone device. So bye bye guys, thanks for watching the video, bye guys.